I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic AUX port. We'll start by troubleshooting common issues. First, always check your audio cable. A faulty cable is a frequent culprit. Next, try connecting a different audio device, like another phone or MP3 player, to see if the problem persists. Also, confirm that your car's audio system is correctly switched to the auxiliary input, and that all volume levels are turned up appropriately on both your device and the stereo. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is to clean the auxiliary port itself. Over time, dust, lint, and other debris can accumulate inside, blocking the connection. Carefully use a small, non-metallic tool, such as a wooden toothpick, to gently dislodge any visible obstructions. Follow this with a quick burst of compressed air to clear out finer particles. For a thorough clean, a tiny amount of electronic contact cleaner can be applied. If cleaning doesn't work, the problem might be with the internal wiring. This step requires a bit more effort, as you'll need to access the back of your car's stereo unit. Carefully remove the necessary trim pieces to expose the stereo. Once visible, inspect the wiring harness connected to the auxiliary input. Look for any wires that appear loose, corroded, or completely disconnected. Gently push in and reseat any connections that seem less than firm. When all troubleshooting steps have been exhausted, replacing the auxiliary port module itself is usually the final solution. These parts are generally affordable and can be found online or at auto parts stores. Ensure you purchase a replacement specifically designed for your Honda Civic model. The process typically involves disconnecting the old port's wiring and mounting, then carefully installing the new unit. After reassembling your dashboard, test the new auxiliary port to confirm full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.